Hi everybody, my name's Jake. This is another Good Idea, Bad Execution. As you saw in the previous video, and as you can see right here behind me, we have my girlfriend's birthday present in progress. What we've gone and done is we have gone and set up 2 wine glasses and 2 coffee mugs, okay? Right now what I'm going to be doing is basically I need to mark where I'm going to be putting the dowel rods. And you get to come along with me, you lucky little devils, you. Alright, enough bullshit. So, basically this is going to be pretty simple, okay? All we're going to do here is... Okay, this should be pretty simple here. Okay, that one's done. We're going to get this out of the way. We're going to do the coffee mug next. The coffee mugs I'm not as worried about because they will just hang. Okay, but I still, I'm going to eyeball this up here a little bit. I still want them to be, straight-ish. And then the same with this one. Okay. Now that we have all our marks, let me get rid of the wine glasses here. And let me get rid of the coffee mugs. Woohoo! My belly! Yeah. Okay, we're going to set these on a cleanish spot of the bench. And where is I need some things now, okay? Okay, so we know that that is 3/4 of an inch. This is hang on a second here. Oh my goodness, why is this so difficult for me? I'm an idiot, that's why. This looks to be about 3/4 as well. Okay, so that being said, what I think I'm going to end up doing, as I said on a previous video, I was going to glue that down. And I don't know if I'm actually going to end up doing that when I have, what size will it be? That's 1 1/4. 3/4 and 3/4 is 1 1/2. And I don't want to go through, so 1 1/4. Yay! Excuse me a moment. Oh, my back! Oh, my God! And we're back. Okay. So I've got these deck screws. A little bit shorter deck screws. Come on, there you go. They are 1 1/4 inch. Thankfully. Here we go. Now I may just end up drilling I'm just going to go ahead and line this up flush on this side. Come up from the bottom. Oh, look at that. Well, you can't really see it because it's too small. That's what she said! But I think that is going to work beautifully. And I may just do the same thing with the dowel rods. After I've put them in and glued them in, I may come back through and stick that right in the middle of it. Spread it out a little bit. I'm not sure about that one yet. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. But as of right now, I'm just going to drill the holes for the wine glasses and the coffee cup. Excuse me. And yeah. So that being said, I need my drill. Got my drill. Need my drill bits. Got my drill bits. And what do you know? I'm freaking missing drill bits. God damn it, I hate when that happens. Wait a minute. No, I ain't missing any drill bits, but I still hate when that happens. They just fell out of their regularly sized spot. Okay, so I don't know what the hell that one was used for. Huh. So 3/8 is 6/16. Okay, that we know. I have here a 5/16. But I also have here a 5/8 dowel rod. Maybe I can, but I have, ow! But I have a 3/8 bit, which is remarkably the same size as the 3/8 dowel. Who'd have thunk it, huh? Huh? Maybe I could sand that dowel, the big one, down. Or maybe this means I need to go buy a 5/8 drill bit. What's that? What? Buy the bigger bit, dumbass. You know what? I'm thinking maybe I should just buy the bigger bit. I just, instead of trying to manipulate that to where I want it, if I just bought the bigger bit and then did like I was saying I was going to do and drill the, put a screw in there to kind of spread it out a little bit. Yeah, I think that would do the trick. So I guess I have to go get tires for my truck tomorrow. That's why I'm doing so many videos today. I didn't get anything posted last week, but I did make videos. So I apologize for that. I will get them up tonight. Oh no! It was in the back of the truck, or the back seat of the truck. So it is effectively a literal block of ice. It's got bones in it too, apparently. Holy shit. Ice water. We'll be right back. Sorry about that. I had to, boy was just getting home from school. I had to relay some information to him. And as you are well aware, he's not allowed to be on camera. So, that's alright. No big deal. Let's get to drilling, baby! So... You know what we're going to do? I think first thing we're going to do is I'm going to take the 3/8 drill bit and I'm going to drill a hole in this bottom section that we're not using. And see if that, oh, I should have brought you with me, sorry. And we're going to see if that dowel fits snug in there. Okay, so let's do that real quick. God, do I want to waste a good board? No, I don't. So here's what we're going to do instead. Got some trusty 2x4s here. We're going to drill a hole in that, see if that dowel fits. And once again, you get to come along for the ride. So let's do that now, shall we? I really need to clean this shop. And here we go. Shit, got sideways. Yeah, that's actually fairly snug. Show you just what the frig you're doing here. There we go, that's better. Okay, so that's fairly snug. Looks fairly straight. So, yeah, we'll use the 3/8 inch bit for the 3/8 dowels, and then I'll just have to pick up a 5/8 drill bit. Yeah, that's all we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. So let's go ahead and make sure that these holes are, or these marks that we made. Where are? Oh yeah, duh, JK. I'm an idiot. I'm sorry, folks. But that's why I'm not getting paid for this crap. So we're going to make sure that these holes are nice and straight. And to do that, we need a nice straight edge. What do we have that is a nice straight edge? Well, since we have this box that fell apart, we're going to use it as our nice straight edge. Because as you can see, it has some nice straight edges on it. I know what you're thinking. Cut away from me, you idiot. Doesn't always work. So shush. We need our pencil. Our Silapen. So in order to make these, or make sure, excuse me, that these are straight, we're going to measure down. The first one is 5 3/4. Five and 3/4. And then our next set is, we mark at 14 3/4, and that looks right. 14 3/4 and 5 3/4, and that gives us 9 inches. And remember, our wine glasses are eight and a half. Okay, so that should be plenty of room. God, let's hope so. Now let's grab the drill and let us commence with the drilling of the holes. And look at that, I didn't even need the straight edge. My goodness. Okay, number 2. There we go. Man, I swear these Irwin bits, they're friggin' awesome. I mean, they're brand new, so, well, not brand new. I've had them for a little while now, but they haven't been used all that terribly much. So, here we go, number 3. We're going to go a little bit slower on this one. Beautiful. Finally, number 4. Okay. Everything looks fairly straight, which is groovy. Let's measure one more time. We're at 1/2 inch and 2 7/8. And here we're at, or not 1/2 inch, 1.5 inches. And here we're at just under 1.5 and 3 7/8. So, still gonna work. 'Twill still work, I swear it. I swear it with everything that is good and holy. I promise it'll work. Okay, so, oh goodness, it's starting to get a little chilly in here. My toesies is getting cold. Yeah, they are. So, okay, that's done. You know, the more I think about it, I have 2 of those 3/8 dowels. So I have 72 inches, 6 feet basically, to play around with. So why don't I just use those for the coffee mugs? I think that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to use those for the coffee mugs as well, and then try it out. And if it doesn't hold them, which it should, but if it doesn't hold them, then I'll widen the hole out. I'll go find a 5/8 bit and widen the hole out a little bit. and do it that way. Excuse me, I'm getting tired. So yeah, let's go ahead and do it that way, and let's get two more drills holed, two more holes drilled. Yay! Got my handy dandy drill again. All right, now we're going to measure these as well. Okay. We're gonna take this and go here where it ain't gonna break. Okay, so this one is 3.5 inches. This one is 3.5 inches. God damn, I'm good. That is 7 1/8. Well, I guess that's lengthwise isn't a big issue, but 3.5 inches from the end. That's groovy. Let's do it, baby. Going to have to get sanded down a little bit, not a big issue. Then hole number 6. Yeah, that one got a little rough. It's alright though. Alright. Now we'll flip her over and see how bad it is. Remember, this is the side nobody's going to see, okay? But we're going to get this crap out of here anyways. And then we'll give it a light sanding. Just to get all those burrs and ridges off of there. And what do we have for that? Well, what do we have for that? Oh, there we go. There we go. We're good. Screw it, fine, I don't care. We're just going to go over it with a little 220. But that's for a disc. Yes, I know it's for a disc. But the orbital is in the house. And I'm just giving it a quick little something here. There we go. Beautiful. Much better. Much, much better. Okay, so I guess the next order of business will be to, well, let's make sure that this big bad mama jamma will sit in there just like I want it to. How's that? Can you see that? Yes, you can. I'll get it a little bit better. There we go. All right, let's flip this sucker back over. Nice and snug. Oh yeah. Gonna work beautifully. I'm not even gonna check the rest of the holes because I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive 99.876% that it's gonna work. But like I said, we're gonna have a little glue on there on the end as well. So we're gonna go 2 3/4 inches on every one of these, okay? So let's get rid of that because it's not going to do us any damn good anymore. Stick you there. We're going to use our board, which is already set up. Okay. Now, here we go. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and screw this whole thing up. We're just going to go ahead and measure 2 3/4 inches on this board. And essentially, we're going to end up using the board as a little jig. 2 3/4. Hey, this works as a straight edge too. Did you know that? Not the straightest, but that's on me, not on the board or the tape measure. Okay, so I don't want to use the skill saw to cut this. I have my jigsaw around here somewhere. Where is my jigsaw? I think my jigsaw's around here somewhere. I'm pretty sure. Hey, I think I found it. That's not it. I know I have a jigsaw around here somewhere. Just not sure where at the moment. And that is just irritating to me. So that's my jigsaw. Alright, well, we'll do something else instead. Yeah, get a tasty drink of water here. Okay, that didn't work at all. Woohoo! Let's see. It's gonna get a little violent here. See if I break it up a little bit. Then it'll start to release some of the water that's. Oh, that's cold. Wow. Boy, howdy. That, woo, doggies. So here's my plan. Remember, this is where the good idea part comes in. We'll get to the bad execution here in a second. We've got the Dremel. I need the Dremel heads, which, pardon my reach, are not in that drawer. Are they in? Oh, you get the hell out of the way. Are they in this drawer? Yes, they're in this drawer. Okay. I'm going to attempt to do is using the Dremel. I'm going to so, here's the plan. Here's the plan. Now remember, I didn't say it was a good plan. But this is where the whole bad execution part comes into play. I'm going to lay this flush here and just... No, that's not going to work, is it? No. Okay, new plan. Oh, boy. Alright, well, we'll just have to go back to what we were going to do in the first place and measure this at 2 3/4 inches. Oh, quit being it. Okay. So now, that mark, yep, that mark is at 2 3/4 inches. And, you know, like I said earlier, we've got plenty to play with, so let's get creative on how we cut this. Let's try a little something stupid here, because that's what I'm known for, is trying stupid shit. This as perpendicular as I can. Come on now. This is supposed to cut on the pullback. Yeah. But it's not even digging in on the pullback. Or maybe it's digging in too much on the pullback. Ah! Stop that! Dirty prick. There. But that's, there we go. Okay. What the? There we go. That's not going to work. So let's try something else, shall we? Yeah. Let's go back to our original idea. Straighten this out a wee bit here. And then we're going to plug it in right here. And well, shit, that worked. I mean, it ain't perfect, but that side can be sanded. Hell, let's try again, huh? Okay. Well, that's better. Oh, yeah. Deburr that one a little bit. Like I said, these will get sanded down. Okay, so we make our mark. And we start cutting in. And I'm not moving the Dremel a whole lot. I'm basically rolling the dowel. Okay. That's 3, this is 4. Hello. Hello. Okay. That's 5. And ay! 6. That worked a lot better than I had intended or envisioned. Just going to set that up there for the moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and come here, number 6. Oh, a couple of these are still warm. Okay. Pardon me. Belly shot. Okay. That worked. I don't know what else to say, but it worked. So, okay. Hot now. Okay, so one extra step ahead. Kind of waiting for the other shoe to drop, because that's just the way I am. Where did I do with that? Oh, where did I put it? Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. We're going to go ahead and use this 220. Just sand down the burn marks a little bit here. Maybe give it a little rounding off as well. I think I if I set it here and just... Yes, actually that's going to work easier. So basically all I have done is just lay that out there like so, and then a little bit more. Now this is 220, okay? This is more of a finishing sandpaper, but I have it just here, so it's just going to take a little extra work, a little extra elbow grease. Okay, that's not bad. And then we'll go ahead and roll the edges a little bit. We'll just put a little taper on there. And see, that's what we end up with. Yeah, it's got the mark, but that just means that it's handmade. Okay, we're just going to give a little more edge here. Or a little more taper on there. Cool. I'm really only going to do one side of these because this is the side that she's going to see. The other side is just going to get glued in. It's going to be on the back, okay? So that's not a big issue. So that's one down, and 5 more to go. So we're going to go ahead. Holy Christ, we're at 42 minutes already. We're going to go ahead and end this, and I'm going to go ahead and get these. We're going to come back with a part 3. We're going to fit these in. Probably not tonight, though. It's the sun is starting to go down. It's starting to get a little chilly in here. So yeah, we love you. There we go. Let's do this right. Okay, everybody. Until next time, we love you. Take care of each other. Stay warm. And we'll catch you on the next one.